In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert AVI to MP4. If you've ever tried to play an AVI video on a phone, TV, or a web browser and hit a compatibility roadblock, converting it to MP4 is a quick fix. MP4 is widely supported, usually smaller in size, and keeps quality looking great for most uses. We'll use simple online tools, Cloud Convert or Convertio, because they both follow the exact same flow and work right from your browser. Start by opening either Cloud Convert's AVI to MP4 page or Convertio's AVI to MP4 page. On both sites, you'll see a clear option to bring your video into the converter. Go ahead and upload your AVI file. You can choose a file saved on your computer, and in many cases, you can also pull from cloud storage if that's where your video lives. Large files may take a moment to upload, so a stable internet connection helps. If you have multiple versions of the same video, pick the highest quality one to get the best final result. Once your file is listed on the page, select MP4 as the output format. This tells the converter exactly what you want as the final file type. Most people can stick with the default settings and get excellent results. If you're curious, MP4 typically uses efficient compression that balances quality and file size, making it ideal for sharing and streaming. Some converters let you adjust things like resolution or bitrate before converting, but if you're unsure, leave those alone for now to keep things simple. Next, click Convert. The site will process your video on its servers. The time this takes depends on the size and length of your AVI file, plus your upload speed. You'll usually see a progress bar or a status indicator while it works. Try to keep the tab open until it's done to avoid interrupting the process. When the conversion finishes, download the file. Choose a folder you'll remember and consider giving the file a clear name so it's easy to find later. After it saves, open the MP4 and do a quick spot check. Make sure the video plays smoothly, the audio is in sync, and the picture quality looks right for your needs. If everything checks out, you're done. It's a good idea to keep the original AVI as a backup until you're satisfied with the MP4. That's all it takes. Upload the AVI file, select MP4, click Convert, and download the file. Whether you used Cloud Convert or Convertio, the workflow is the same and fast. Enjoy your newly compatible MP4 video.